Hello students. In this video, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of natural resources. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a deeper understanding of how we use these resources and why it's so important to protect them. When we talk about natural resources, we're referring to the materials and energy sources that we obtain from the natural world. These include things like water, sunlight, forests, minerals, and even the wind that rustles through the trees. However, not all natural resources are the same. They fall into two main categories: renewable and non-renewable. Let's first explore renewable resources. Renewable resources have the remarkable ability to regenerate themselves, making them sustainable if we use them wisely. For instance, consider the sunlight or the wind. These resources are continuously replenished by natural processes. Even the water cycle, which involves the endless movement of water from rivers to oceans to clouds and back again, and forests fall into this category, when managed responsibly. Now, let's turn our attention to non-renewable resources. These resources are like a treasure hidden deep within the earth, formed over millions of years. They include fossil fuels such as coal and oil, as well as minerals like gold and copper. Unlike renewable resources, non-renewable resources are finite. They cannot be replenished within a human lifetime. Once we extract and use them, they're gone for good. This limitation makes them incredibly valuable, but it also means that we need to be careful with how we use them. The burning of fossil fuels, for example, releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, contributing to pollution and climate change. This not only harms our environment but also poses a threat to future generations. Now that we have a clearer understanding of the types of natural resources, let's delve into how we use them in our daily lives. Take forests, for example. They provide us with wood for building homes, making furniture, and producing paper. But that's not all. Forests also offer a habitat for countless species of animals and plants, and they play a crucial role in regulating our climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Then there are our farms, which are the source of the food we eat every day. Whether it's the grains that form the staple of our diets or the fruits and vegetables that provide us with essential vitamins, farms are vital to our survival. Water resources are equally important. The rivers and lakes around us are not only sources of drinking water but also serve as crucial habitats for wildlife. Moreover, we use water to irrigate crops, generate hydroelectric power, and even for recreation. In industry, minerals and metals extracted from the earth are indispensable. Iron, for instance, is a key material in construction, while copper is essential for electrical wiring and electronics. Energy resources, whether renewable or non-renewable, power our modern world. Fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas have long been the backbone of our energy supply, powering homes, industries, and transportation. However, as we become more aware of the environmental impact of these resources, there's a growing shift toward renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. These cleaner, more sustainable sources of energy help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate the effects of climate change. Given the importance of these resources, it's crucial that we learn how to conserve them. Conservation means using our resources wisely and responsibly, ensuring that they're available for future generations. For example, we can practice energy conservation by turning off lights when we don't need them and using energy-efficient appliances. We can save water by being mindful of how much water we use every day. Recycling is another powerful way to conserve resources. By reusing materials, we reduce the need to extract new resources from the earth. Planting trees is another effective way to contribute to conservation efforts. Trees not only provide oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, but they also offer shade, reduce soil erosion, and support wildlife. And finally, practicing responsible consumption means making thoughtful choices about what we buy and use, prioritizing sustainable and eco-friendly products whenever possible. By understanding and valuing our natural resources, we take the first step towards a more sustainable future. Before we wrap up, here's a question for you. What type of resource is coal? Is it renewable or non-renewable? Think about what we've discussed and share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 5 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.